Alright, today we're going to do a Mossin m44 t53 9130 bolt. Show you how to take it all apart. This phone may not, I'm doing this by phone so the video might suck, but I'm sorry of watching all these videos and they're always doing it wrong. So, you know, I don't need to show you this and that. Let's get going. Alright, so we got our bolt here. And you want to pull it, click it to the right. Now so we did that. So now we turn this bottom part right here. We try to push that to the right over a little bit there. There we go. You hear that click? It should click or do something. It should just pull apart. You might have to fill it a little bit and it'll pull apart just like this. This right here, if you like this, you just turn it to the left and it'll pull apart just like this. Just turn it to the left and it'll pull apart like this. Great. Now, a lot of people say that you need a piece of wood, this and that. I think that's a terrible idea. They gave you everything you need right here. I mean, right here. This is all you need. Just put this up. Give this a little turn. And you want to be a little careful because it will pop out. So be ready. And are kind of pointed away from you. You don't want to be hitting yourself in the eye. Or what you can do is just give it a little pressure. I'll give it a couple turns. This is how you do it. You also might want to just be ready. Okay, see, just like that. There, she popped out. This here comes apart. That's how you do it. Now I'll show you how to put it back together. I'll try not to talk too much while I do this. So put your bolt, your pin back together, just like this. Drop that down. Now here's where I have a little problems, but you see right here is kind of how you'll want it, I believe, just like this, okay? All right, you get that, you set that down in there. You're gonna get a little pressure. You gotta take your little, right here. I'm not great on terminology. You want to press down and you can twist, or what I do is, as you can see, that's not working, so we'll just do this here. We'll give this a little turn. All right. There we go. You don't want to make fun of me, I don't care. I'm just trying to help you all out. So you're going to give it some turns. Alright, and I don't, it's nice and easy. Once it stops, it stops. There's no reason to put any more pressure on it. Alright, now we got that done. And we may have to back that off because now this, since we got it looking like this, I'll place it just like this. You might have to, you know, give it a little turn or do anything. Okay. Alright. That wasn't quite going to line up, so we just move it 1/4. Now let's try it again. Alright, one more turn. Alright, as you can see, that fell right in there. You might have to screw with it a little bit, and it'll fall right on in. I forgot to tell you, there it is, right here. You'll see a little catch in there. That lines up with this right here. So you want that to follow in. You need to oil this up and clean it. Now push in, just like that. Now pull it back a little bit, because now here comes the tricky part. So now we're going to take the bolt, put one right here and this right here. Might have to press down on it a little bit. Make sure this gets lined up here too. You want everything lined up. And there you go. This is how it's got to be to put back in your gun. See how it lines up? And then if you want to decock this, press nice and easy right over there. You'll hear it cock a little bit. You might want to get it going, and then you hit the trigger. There you go.